Working at the horse farm can be a lot of hard work, but what's good about it is that you get to be with the horses and interact with them as if they were your friends. To understand this message, let's pretend that we are horses. And when you think about it, we can be like a horse because we can become scared or nervous. We don't know what's going to happen in the future. And if we worry too much, we get panic. And that can lead us to problems, whether it's emotional or physical.
When you can pray, why worry, child? Why worry this way? Because of me, now you have the key. So why worry when you can pray?
To continue our metaphor, let's say that Jesus Christ is a boarder or a stable hand at the horse farm. In Matthew chapter 11, verse 28 through 30, where Jesus says, "Come to me, all you who are weary and burdened, and I will give you rest. Take my yoke upon you and learn from me, for I am gentle and humble in heart, and you will find rest for your souls. For my yoke is easy and my burden is light."
And it must hurt the mighty master to know we're in pain.
What Jesus is saying is that he will help care for us, just like how a stable hand helps and cares for the horses.
Why worry when you can pray? Why worry, child? Why worry?
Matthew chapter 6, verse 34 also says, "Therefore do not worry about tomorrow, for tomorrow will worry about itself. Each day has enough trouble of its own."
Why worry when you can pray?
At times, it may be hard for us to not worry about tomorrow. So what you can do is pray to Jesus Christ and tell him of your worries, and he can help you get through them and to be patient.